Yes, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. So in today's video we are back with a new video on how to set up HTTP Custom VPN to get a fast and secure connection when you are using the internet. So today I'm going to show you on how to set up this app, HTTP Custom. This app will help you to add an extra layer of security. This app will help you to secure your connection when you are using the internet. So in case you need to set up the app, you are in the right place. So first of all, to get this app, head over to Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel. You are highly welcomed. Please, in case you are new on the channel, please you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future coming content. And when you reach on Google Play Store, in the search bar you search for HTTP Custom. This app is on Google Play Store. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set it up. And after installing the app, we open the app. So as you can see, the app has a lot of connection methods, but for today's guide I'm going to show you on how to set up the UDP custom settings. So these UDP custom settings are fast and they can secure your connection via this app. So first of all, you can reset the app by tapping on the three lines right here and then click on clear or reset config. This action helps the app to reset to the default settings. So that's the use of the importance of clearing the config right here. So after doing that, we are going to open Chrome or any browser, and when you reach on Chrome, you'll be required to visit this website, and then when you reach here on Google, you search for UDP Custom, and among the presented sites you visit this one. And when you reach on this site will help you to get the required settings or the required settings for setting up HTTP custom app in order to achieve a fast and a secure connection. So you tap on the menu button right here, and when you tap on the menu, you'll be able to see this list. For today's guide, we are gonna use this premium UDP option, and when you tap, it will reveal a list of menu, and among the presented, you opt for UDP custom servers. And when you tap on UDP Custom, it will bring you to the UDP Custom servers, as you can see. So you pick a server which you prefer, and then you click on select location. And as we are still, if you are still watching this video, in case you have not yet, if you are new on the channel and you haven't yet subscribed on the channel, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on the channel so you won't miss any of our future coming content as I take you through the settings. So from here you need to enter username and password. This for this account to work, so you enter any username you prefer, and then you enter any secure password. And after doing that, you verify I'm not a robot, and then after verifying I'm not a robot, you'll be able to click on the create now. So this option will help you to create the account, and you have to wait until the account is successfully created. And after your account is created, you'll be able to see the account details and you must actually copy the account details as presented on the site. And as you can see right here, you copy as I show you. So you copy this one where this option which has the HTTP Custom. So you simply copy this one, this field, and after that go back and open HTTP Custom app. So you open the app, and when you reach in the app, in this field where you see, you must paste here the account details. So you paste here the account details, you paste like that, and after pasting the account details, you enable this UDP Custom option just like that. And after that, to insert a secure connection and add extra layer of security when you are using this app, simply you tap on this connect button and you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. Right now, as you can see, the app is connected, and that's how we set up HTTP Custom VPN with UDP Custom settings to get a fast and a secure connection, and also to get an extra layer of security as you are online. And as you can see, when you try to check the logs, it says the app is connected. And if you are still watching up to this minute and you haven't yet subscribed on the channel, please make sure to subscribe on this channel so that you don't miss any of our future coming videos. Comment in the comment section, and let's meet in the next video. Enjoy secure connection and extra protection when you are using HTTP Custom VPN.